Aloha out there, it's Keegan, and I'm sitting, okay? I'm sitting, whatever I'm doing it here in Podgorica, which is the capital of Montenegro. And I'm by this beautiful river, and also a beautiful bridge. And I just want to share this place with you, this moment. What's up, Gorgum? On another path now. I'm on the Riverside path in Montenegro, and I'm here to share a message of renewal and share an invitation to everyone to be in my live. Here's Creasol. See if he comes on. I never tried this, somebody just hopping on the live with me. So it's the first time for everything. It's a new experience. That's why it's a renewal. Hey, you're not Neil.
No, sorry, it's not Neil. I just happened to be flicking through my Instagram and I saw something coming up, and then I just saw it was Creasol and I went in because I am part of that group. My name's Maria and I'm actually in Spain at the moment. I thought I'd see Neil chatting to somebody. So are you expecting him to come into the call?
I was, but now it's you instead.
Well, listen, I'll get in case I'm blocking him joining in. So I don't know what's going
It
on.
looks like you're on his account.
I must be. So listen, yeah, maybe I am. So look, I'll go, and good luck with whatever you're
Nice to
doing
meet
in
you, Maria.
Montenegro. Sounds great. Okay, bye. See you some other time, maybe. Bye.
Yep, bye. Wow, that's a cool experience. People are on the internet, and we're all sharing this space. And it's the space age. We're coming into breakthroughs and revolutions. May they be peaceful revolutions coming from peaceful hearts inside of each of us. And so I was about to share the message of renewal, of the water cycle, celebrating this beautiful river and every beautiful river throughout the beautiful earth. The water comes and is cleaned by the natural cycles of evaporation, condensation, and rain, purifying us. And Aquarius, we are in the age of Aquarius, is the water bearer. And it's time for us to bring forth renewal. And Renaissance is rebirth. And that's why I'm hosting every week an Aquarian Renaissance meeting for us to meet each other, just like I just met Maria. You know, we are all connected here. It's time for us to step into a greater level of collaboration on a global level. We have the tools, we have what we need. It's just a question of implementing and programming ourselves in such a way. We have all these nifty gadgets and computer programs, but what is the psychological programming that we're operating with? Is it is it up for an update right now? I'm suggesting that it is, and I'm also suggesting that we meet to discuss what that looks like. So I'm just below Independence Square here, and I'm suggesting that our operating system should look like us taking responsibility for ourselves radically, seeking autonomy, independence, and finding ways to create that for ourselves in our lives. And so I'm just a student of that, looking to build a community of support, mastermind of people that are ready to step into greater autonomy and become more worldly, explore more of this beautiful world, and change ourselves, and therefore change the world, renew it, rebirth it, renaissance this place with the beautiful Aquarian energy of community, of honoring our weirdness, our uniqueness. We are all uniquely divine, and it's time for us to shine. So I welcome you tomorrow, right around this time, and every Wednesday, 7 p.m. Central European Time, 1 p.m. Eastern Time in the States, to an Aquarian Renaissance roundtable discussion. I'm hosting on Zoom. There's a link in my description. Also, I can send it directly to you if you leave a comment or send me a message. There are many ways we can welcome you into this space with me. We'll be growing our internal gardens and contemplating what we want to weed out. And it's another metaphor like the programming. It's a garden program that we get to design as the permaculture designers of our world, and find where our worlds intersect, where they collide, and rectify and integrate our diverse perspectives